Hi guys, so we are going to test here to see if we're going to do test 8 to see if the quiz status changes when the questions are deleted from it. It should go to ongoing from done if the questions in the quiz are less than 40. So for that we need to go into teacher and log in as a teacher, and we're gonna delete some questions and add some to see if it changes in database the status of the quiz. So we're gonna go to admin, delete the question. So add question. So here we are. These are the questions for Econ A. It is complete, and there are 40 questions, 24 hard, 24 easy. So let's see the quiz status is for it. So the quiz status is done for it, Econ A. It should change to ongoing if we delete some questions from it. Let's just delete question 46, the last one. Delete. That's deleted. As you can see, it's gone from here. Well, let's say if it changes, let's refresh this. Ongoing, it changes to ongoing. Let's do the other way around. Let's see if it changes back to done. That means the quiz is complete. If it's ongoing, the student can't attempt it. That's why we use that quiz status column. So student just can't attempt a quiz which doesn't have full number of questions. 24 students, 24 hard and 24 easy. So let's just delete it. Was hard one or easy one? I'm not sure, but I'm not sure if I deleted a hard one or easy one. So how to add? Let's just 46. Which one was it? Let me just check quickly if it was a hard one or easy one. It was an easy one. Probably now it was a hard one. So it's an easy one, so it's gonna add one of the easy ones. Yeah. So I have this note of WordPad, so I'm just quickly gonna copy paste this. I can type whatever I want, but I'm gonna type in the legit, because I'm gonna use this quiz for testing it later, so why not just add some legit questions and options. Question inserted. So this quiz is full right now, and the quiz status should go back to done instead of ongoing. Let's just correctly check. It is done indeed. Econ A quiz status done. Yeah. So as expected, this works.